Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Binj254. So today we're going to wash our clothes. I'm specifically going to wash a duvet using my new baby here. This is a TCL 12 kg. So let's learn because I'm also learning. It's my first time doing this. So let's wash our duvet using this new baby here. So here I have detergent. I have Ox Active. This is wax like jig, so you can use it. You can use it with colored clothes and white clothes. So I'm going to use this, and here I have this is detergent, the soap. Specifically, it is Ariel, and this one it is softener. I improvised. I used a bottle of maziwa lala to store my softener. So let's do this. Stay tuned guys till the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this beautiful channel. So this is my duvet. It is a 6x6 duvet, and this is the compartments. So the first compartment, I'm going to put the detergent, which is the soap. The second one, I'm going to put the softener, and the last one, I'm going to put the pre-wash, which is I'm going to put the Astonix Oxy Activator. So stay tuned guys as I take you through the whole process. I'm also a learner. I'm also in class because it's my first time doing this. So stay tuned guys as I take you through the process. So we are going to put our soap. Yeah. So I'm using these measurements. This is a tin for Ariel soap, the liquid one. So I'm going to measure to a 90 centimeter. So we are going to put our soap here, and the second one we're going to put our softener. Yeah, this is our softener. Oopsie, here. And the last one I'm not going to put the ox here. I'm going to put the oxy in the drum. So I'm going to put a 2 teaspoons of oxy inside the drum. So I'm going to measure 2 teaspoons of oxy. I'm going to put it in the drum. That is enough. So now let me close and we go to the settings. So this is our setting. We have mix, super quick, and we have cotton, pre-wash, echo, 20 degree, delicate drum, spin and rinse. So I'm going to use a bedding. I'm going to use the bedding one. Yeah, this is the bedding that it will take 1 hour and 5 minutes. So I'm going to add the temperature. The temperature I'm going to add 40 degrees. So it will be 1 hour 45 minutes. So when we start here, start and pause. So you press here and the machine, it locks itself and it starts washing. So guys, let's wait for the results. We see if the machine is going to work perfectly or we go back into using our hands in washing. So stay tuned guys till the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this beautiful channel. So let's wait for the results in a moment. Our washing is over. So let us now remove our duvet and see if it is clean or not. Wow, 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 wow. Our duvet is super clean, very clean. You see? Very, very, very clean, clean, clean. I'm so impressed with this baby. This baby makes my work very, very, very easy. Yes. So this is our results, guys. See, shining, shining, very clean. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this beautiful channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.